Hi guys! Today I will show you how to create nail in almond shape on forms. First of all, I will prepare natural nail with a file grid 180. And then I will prepare cuticles with my two favorite beads. That's Kohana beads, cuticle bead number 1 and then cuticle bead number 3. It's a teardrop shape. Here we go. First, I mat the natural nail plate. And now it's time for cuticle bead number 1. For this bead, I use 10,000 speed and reverse direction. For the cuticle bead number 3, I use 14,000 speed. When I work to the right direction, I work on the reverse rotation. When I work to the left direction, I work on the forward rotation. Next, I dehydrate my nail with acetone cleaner. Time for forms. Absolutely love Kohana forms. It's very nice thick texture, so will help you to hold the pinching part and shape whatever you like. First, I will break the top of the forms. Next, I will make the form quite flexy. Look on the chromy finish. This really helps with flashing back the light in the lamp, so your gel always cures perfectly. And now I fit the form to my natural nail. Pinch the form in the end. Remember to stick the wings nice and straight. Look from the top to be sure you pinch the form evenly from both sides. Now check the level of the form. If it's nice and straight with your natural nail growth, you can stick the form to your finger. I always check the points A and B. A is the cuticles and B is actual extended length. If they are on the same level, I'm happy enough to go ahead with the next step. For almond shape, I always cut form on the side so I don't have to pinch the nail later on. I make sure that when I cut the form go nicely under the nail and then other side go away, so it's not on the way when I apply the gel. When you cut the form, don't cut too straight and don't cut too much on the side. I always say this a kind of like elbow direction. And now it's time for acid-free primer. And the next step is a base. I use Pro Base, absolutely amazing adhesion for the gel. Only a little bit, brush in with your gel brush and cure in the lamp. And now it's time for skeleton part. The skeleton layer apply not very thin but not very thick. When you're happy with the shape, you can go to the lamp. Remember to have enough product on the sides and on the connection with the natural nail. After 30 seconds in the lamp, gel is cured, so we can take off the form. Before the building layer, I will rub in a little bit of the gel just to get better blending part. And now I take a little bit more and start here from cuticles down, evenly from side to side. This is self-level gel. Easy builder. All Kohana products, they are available on our website beautyvision.ie. After 30 seconds in the lamp, gel is cured, so it's time for filing. How to correctly file the nail you can watch in my previous videos. I will leave the link for you below, so you can watch and follow all step-by-step filing technique. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe my channel.